everyone! Today we're going to bake a cheesecake that you can enjoy with your family and friends.
To start with, we'll have to make the cheesecake base. In a large bowl, pour the graham cracker crumbs, the melted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix all of this together until the mixture resembles wet sand. From there, you're going to press the crumb mixture into the bottom and halfway up the sides of your spring-form pan. Make sure that there's no holes in the bottom and that it is completely covered. Firstly, put the softened cream cheese into a mixing bowl and use a beater to whisk it until it becomes nice and smooth. Put the lemon and let's continue mixing. Then put the egg one by one. Next is the flour, vanilla, and sugar. Start beating it all together one last time to get the creamy filling. After that, you'll get your crust out of the refrigerator. Spoon the filling over the crust and spread until even and smooth. Next, we will then put it in a 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about an hour. Now, for the sour cream layer, put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix it well. Take out the cake from the oven when it's cooked and spread evenly the sour cream layer on top and put it back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. And then, let it cool in the oven with the door open to ensure that you don't overcook your cheesecake. We'll then refrigerate it for overnight so it can get completely set up. Once your cheesecake is all set up, start decorating it with your garnishes.
There you have your creamy cheesecake. I am Febeleen Calpo. We live in interesting times.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media @Febeleen. See you in the next video.